Hey YouTube, it's Josh with Chase the Ride. Today we're going to install our RickRak motorcycle necessity. This is a GoPro 360 mount for fairing mount for my road glide here. Let's just take a quick look at what everything is in here. Nice aluminum little wrench. A number of different screws and a washer, rubber washer. Nice stamped aluminum collar, or mount, I should say. And then the adjustable GoPro mount there too. So let's go ahead and get this on here quick. Alright. So depending on how you want this set up, you can take this front mount if you're looking at something front. I have other forward mounts and I use my helmet for that. I'm going to try put this back here, see if I can point it backwards and get not only myself, but maybe bikes behind me and traffic behind me. So pretty simple, just take the one screw out. They say to use the screw that will give you like 1/4 of an inch. And tighten down all the way. So let's try. That one, once we tighten it down, it's probably not enough. Go one size up. Let's see how that one goes. Once we get our washer. And then our mount. All right. Real easy. Now it's just a standard little GoPro mount that we have here. What's nice is it's not plastic. It is all aluminum. Not going to get the bolts in that way, that's for sure. But so again, a nice stamped aluminum flex clamp here that they give you. Looks like you almost have to use their little wrench. Finger tight isn't quite enough. I'll play with the length and the angles and let's see what
Here's the end result. I found actually works very well. Gets not only me in the picture, it'll get Stacy if she's on the bike. We'll also get the people behind me. I'll do a short roll here shortly of it. And plan is, instead of having all the screws in that, I will actually get lengths of proper lengths to clean that up a little bit in that. But in general, it's a different view that I didn't necessarily have before. works out pretty well.
So here's a little bit of video with the new GoPro setup. I really like the angle. The mount's also very solid. You get a little vibration that you can see. The GoPro takes most of that out, however. Once again, it's the GoPro Deluxe 360 mount for the Road Glide Ultra by RickRack. RickRack makes a very quality product. This product's all metal and looks like it'll hold up for a long time. If you'd like to look in this product closer, there's a link below to my Amazon affiliate page where you can pick one up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't yet also. And don't forget that bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out. And until next time, keep the shiny side up and chase the ride.